Welcome back, everyone, as we continue to learn some common and not so common phrases in the Garifuna language. Today we start with Nehibadibu Haruga. Nehibadibu Haruga. That is, see you tomorrow. Then we have Busientidina or Busegidina. Busientidina or Busegidina, which means I want more. Next, Sereme Luago Egini. Sereme Luago Egini. Thanks for the food. Kaba Baturiabe. Kaba Baturiabe. What do you study? Anuha Nuguchu. Anuha Nuguchu. This is my mother. Winoga Ugunye Haruga. Winoga Ugunye Haruga. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Anuha Nirao or Anuha Nisani. Anuha Nirao, Anuha Nisani. This is my daughter. Wega. Wega or Webuga Ega. Webuga Ega. We are going to eat. Webuga Laru Beya. Webuga Laru Beya. We are going to the beach. Gundala Iseri Irumu. Gundala Iseri Irumu. Happy New Year. Thank you so much for investing your time as always. And until the next lesson, Sereme, ayo.